Okay, all you box break participants, there comes box break number 4. This time around, we are doing the 2002-2003 Quest for the Cup. Quest for the Cup is another one of those sets that I wasn't privy to after it was released. Claims to have the all-new Stanley Cup design, which of course was new to me since I never seen it before, at least that I know of. We should have a few hits in them, namely a couple jersey cards. These packs feature our friend Marty Turco. Get rolling. Alright, looks like we've got more of those Pacific Complete cards. So, right off the bat we have Sheldon Keefe. These would appear to be the cards. Lots of foil. These are going to be hard to see. Brendan Morrison of Vancouver. We have Brett Hall. We have a Chasing the Cup Joe Thornton card. I'm going to guess that's an insert. We have Daniel Alfredson. These are kind of cool. Marty Biron. This almost looks like a set that would come out today. We have Kovalchuk, Jose Theodore Pacific Complete. We got a Belfour, Steve Yzerman, a Lynn Loins. Is that what that says? Lynn Loins. Rookie card. Don't know who that is. Lexi Yashin. We got Jonathan Gerard, Pacific Complete. Palfy. Billy G. Pascal Leclerc card. Calder Contenders. It's got a gold foil background. Some Blue Jackets card. Pekka for Islanders. And Danny Heatley. Interesting cards, not what I was expecting. Alright. We got Dmitry Yushkovich, Pacific Complete. Jason Allison. Ray Whitney. Danny Heatley, Chasing the Cup. Rick DiPietro. Sandis Ozolinch. Not sure I can get this one under 15 minutes, but we're sure going to try. John Madden. Patrick Waugh. Sammy Kapanen. And our first hit, it's a nice one. Mark Messier. Authentic Game Worn. It's a blue swatch. I can't see it too well. Very nice. Sean Burke. Hossa. By the way, the Rangers was claimed by Jason. So, it's a nice card there, Jason. Nicholas Havlid. Cliff Ronning. Sergei Fedorov. Alright, and here we have a serial numbered, not sure if the gold makes a difference, but we have a Jason Spezza rookie for Ottawa. And this is numbered out of 325. Man, I wish the numbering would show up better. That's crazy. But that's for Ottawa, and I believe Dave H. has Ottawa. Sure does. There's Messier base card and Miro Chatan. So, we got a nice rookie in there and a pretty decent hit. Things are looking up. Alexei Zhitnik. We got Marian Gaborik. We got Peter Turgeon. We have Tomas Malik, rookie from Carolina. Lindros. And Joe Thornton. Got to pick up the pace here. Alexei Morozov, who was okay for the Pens and then disappeared. We got Lou without a helmet. That's interesting. We got Doug Waite. Here's a Kovalev. Interesting. This is gold. It's out of 325. The picture shows him in a Penguins jersey, but the card is actually a Rangers card, as you can see right here. So that will be going to the Rangers. We got Rob Blake and Paul Kariya. See, I'm fair. At least I'm trying to be. Sean Horkoff, Manny Fernandez, Marty St. Louis. We have a Mike Modano raising the cup card, although he's not actually raising the cup on the picture. Mark Denis, Glenn Murray. Again, these are really shiny, heavier cardstock, but really shiny, so the glare, it's hard to see. Corey Serich, Mike Modano, Tony Amante. Here's a Martin Brodeur raising the cup. We got a Milan Hajduk. Kind of have to twist them so you can see. And a Marty Turco. For the sake of dumping the rest of these onto the ground, we'd like to move them over here so you give us more room. This pack feels thick, so I think there's something in here. Maybe. Maybe not. Aaron Lord. Pascal Dupuis. Vinny LeCavalier. Marty Turco. Chasing the cup. Joe Sakic. Jeff Hackett. He's shown in a Canadiens jersey, but it's a Boston card, so that'll go to the Bruins, which I believe Casey has. Brent Sopel. We got Olli Jokinen. Keith Kachuk. Alexei Smirnov. He makes some good vodka. It's a rookie card. Alexei Zhamnov. 2 Alexeis. J.S. Jaguar. Yarko. Ruutu. I don't know. Is that how they said his name? That's how they used to say Ruutu in Pittsburgh. Ryan Smith. Corey Stillman. Joe Sakic raising the cup. I don't know how to get that at the right angle so you can see it better. I'll scan it. Tebow. Legwand. Scott Stevens. Michael Nylander. Nylander. Not sure how you pronounce that. Brent Johnson. Kovalchuk. Chasing the cup. Fleury. And Zednik, Richard Zednik from Montreal. We have Sean Horkoff from the Oilers. Yuri Letnin. Got Jeremy Roenick. And another hit. You guys are watching me open these. It's not my doing. Mike Modano. Single color. It's a nice dark green. Kind of blends in with the rest of the card background, but Mike Modano. And of course, the Dallas Stars are my bonus team. We got Johan Hedberg and Roman Cechmanek. Bates Battaglia. Felix Potvin. Nikolai Khabibulin. The gold parallel. Of course, Mario Lemieux. Out of 325. Of course it wouldn't belong to anybody else. Of course it was mine. Ronnie Francis and Jamie Langenbrunner. Good thing you guys are all forgiving and you're all nice. You're very nice people. Gary Roberts, Brendan Shanahan, Tamu. Here's a Mike Camilleri rookie. This is serial numbered out of 950. Goes to the Kings, which I believe belongs to, it's part of a trade. I think Benny's got the Kings. Yep, Benny's got the Kings. Roman Turek. Which way I'm going? Jeff Friesen. Hopefully no one hates me yet for pulling all of these. Patrick Lalime, Dan Cloutier, Evgeny Nabokov. Here's actually an insert double. Raising the Cup, Marty Brodeur. How do you get an insert double? I don't ever know. Jerome McGinley, Patrick Eliash. An insert double. It just doesn't happen. It's ridiculous. Shane Doan. We got Ryan Smith, Corey Stillman, Marian Hossa, Chasing the Cup. Tebow, I think is a double. And David Legwan. Eric Bolton, Super Mario. We got Simon Gagne. We have another hit. It is from Toronto, Gary Roberts. That's an interesting swatch. I wonder if that comes from the inner liner of the jersey. Forsberg and Patrick Lalime. Normal jerseys don't have that much space in between. That's got to come from like a liner. Todd Fedoruk, Ole Kolzig, Pavel Dimitra, a gold, Jose Theodore, Eric Days, and a regular Jose Theodore. I think we're out of hits. There might be a couple inserts, but Sergei Berezin, Matt Sundin, Mike Comrie. We have a gold Steve Eminger rookie. Steve Eminger from the Capitals out of 325. Another Kovalev. And Bokan. 2 packs left. Samsonov. Yager on the Capitals. Nick Lidstrom. We have Jeff Taffy, rookie, out of 950. on Phoenix. Marty Havlat. Yannick Perrault of Montreal. And last pack, Blake Sloan. Marcus Daslin. Cujo in Detroit. We have a Jay Bowmeister Calder Contenders insert. Radic Bonk. Previous name. And Mr. Irrelevant of the box. Saku Koiwa. Base card. Alright. That is it. So, stay tuned for the next box. Thanks for watching.